In the last video, I showed you how to install Node.js in Ubuntu installed on WSL. By installing Node.js, we are able to install Angular as well. So this time, we are going to install the latest Angular7. Since the official version of Angular7 has not been released yet, its target is Release Candidate 3 version of Angular7. First, from the Ubuntu command line, type cd/mnt/c to go to the Windows C drive. Next, type ls and display the contents of the C drive. It's okay. Next, create a directory for Angular7 in a specific directory. Here, I created a directory named Angular7 under the underscore my PRGs directory. Next, enter the directory you created and type sudo npm I at angular/cli at next. If the official version Angular7 is released, please do not add the last at next. This installation takes a considerable amount of time. When installation is completed, we are going to create a project. Type ng-new ng7 test01. ng7 test01 is the project name, and any name will do. First of all, there is a question as to whether or not to add a routing function, and here we will answer no. Next, there is a query on the style sheet format, and select the default CSS. If another style sheet format is selected, errors may still occur. Once the project is created, go to that project directory. Then type code dot to start the Visual Studio Code. In this case, it's necessary to install Visual Studio Code in Windows in advance. If it is not installed, return to the Windows environment, install Visual Studio Code, then enter this command. When the VS Code opens, open the package.js JSON file and check the version. Version 7 is displayed. Next, press the Ctrl and back apostrophe key to open a terminal window. Then enter NGS to start the local server. Return to the Windows environment and start the browser. Then open localhost colon 4200. Angular's default page is displayed. It's OK. Return to the VS Code and stop the local server with Ctrl+C and enter. Angular installation was completed. It's OK. Thank you for watching.